So here we are. We're looking down down the west side of the high tunnel. The high tunnel is 96 feet by 36 feet. The long side goes roughly east to west. And down at this end, you can see there's two input pipes over here near the center. But these two pipes on this side, the north side, those risers get pipes that go over to the exhaust here on this side. Oops, I don't know why it's out of focus now. All right. So the exhaust has 14 holes in it. We're currently at 2 feet down below grade. At 4 feet below grade, we have a series of pipes. At 6 feet below grade, we have a series of pipes. And at 8 feet below grade, we have a series of pipes. So here we are at our last layer. And I'll show you here on an exhaust pipe here. If we go up, look down, I don't know if we can see. Let's see, I'm gonna come over here, maybe we have better lighting. I'm going to show you all the pipes at the lower levels that come down into here. Let's see. So if you look down there, can't really see, but the holes are the light coming in at the 2 foot underground level, but then you can see pipes at 4 foot underground, and then further down there's pipes coming in at 6 foot and 8 foot underground. So this is how the riser pipe works. And this guy gets really packed with pipes because he has 14 pipes at each of the levels. All right, we're gonna come back over here. Billy and Jake are getting ready on this input riser to cut the 2 6 inches, and then there's gonna be 5 4 inches. But cutting a 6-inch hole is a completely different task. In the layout on an input pipe, there are 3 pipes on the lower level, a 4 inch in the center, and then 2 6 inches that on both sides of it. So we just did the 4-inch pipe on the center, and you see how easy that is. That took a lot of practice and a lot of experimentation to get it to be so easy. Experimentation, but it definitely was not easy when we first tried this. But now Billy's changing to the 6-inch pipe.
So the way this is laid out is I start with the 4-inch first because it gives me the center. And I do the 2 6s, and then I put the 4-inch back on and do the top.
Yep. So the 6-inch pipe, the pipe is officially called 6-inch, but the drill bit here, this hole saw, is really a little bit around 7 inches. And the problem is that we couldn't find a 7-inch hole saw that was deep enough to actually push through this riser pipe. And it would be very difficult to manage something that big. And we could have made it ourselves, but we didn't. So here, he's going to get the outline for the 6-inch hole. So he made an outline of the 6-inch hole. He's getting his starter points for the jigsaw. And the jigsaw comes in. So you want to get a round hole.
bent blade actually makes my life easier.
So the bent blade gives him more flexibility to actually do the angles that he wants. Now he can push in a little further with that. Voila. So here we are, we're at the 90th percentile of finishing up all the drill holes, and we got the system figured out. At the beginning it wasn't so pretty.
No, it wasn't.
Alright, jigsaw cleaned out the way. And there's a 6-inch hole. So since there's 7 pipes that go from each of the 4 inputs, then that means that there's 28 pipes on each layer, which means there's 56 holes on each layer. We have 4 layers, so that's 224 holes that have to be drilled. And we're coming to the end here. We really are coming to the end. Almost all the other pipes, just that pipe needs 14 holes. And this pipe is going to get its 4 more holes in just a second here, because the 4-inch holes now go pretty quickly. I can tell you it wasn't anywhere near as pretty at the first layer down at 8 foot underground.
They weren't round.
And 6 foot underground was a little bit better, but this 4 foot underground and 2 foot underground has gotten to be a kind of a system. But making our own 4-inch drill hole requires welding skills. And so the center line of these holes here on this, this is the northeast corner. This guy is pointing those holes right over to this pipe here. And so you'll see in later videos how all the pipes get laid out. You can see they're getting some sun right there stretching out, so it's easier to work with. And we're coming to the end of this project. So there you have it, 7 holes in the last riser here on the northeast side. Hopefully this video will help some other people starting this project see how to do it efficiently. All right. Thanks, Jake. Thanks, Billy. See you later.